Welcome to Cooking with Hilda. In this video, we're gonna make a tea party. Tea parties are fun. I'm gonna give you tips and ideas so you can make tea parties in no time. I like to use shiny tablecloth to cover my kitchen island when I'm gonna make a tea party for my girls. This way it's shiny and different and they feel it's like something special. To make a tea party, you need a selection of cookies, tea, sandwiches, or cakes. I like to make my cakes homemade, but there is no shame in purchasing cakes at the store. Little details can make a huge difference, like these little shiny pearls or some edible glitter makes it super special. You can use things and ingredients that you already have at home. For example, I have banana bread and I cut it in heart shapes. I have vegetables and I serve it because tea parties for kids have to include always some kind of vegetables or fruit. Strawberries, peach, pitaya or dragon fruit, that's a delicious fruit and healthy. I also have here meringue cookies and the link for this recipe, you can find it in the description section. Go ahead and add some finishing touches that is gonna make everything extra pretty. And if you can, add some lights, it's gonna add an extra touch. Also, don't forget the little tea sandwiches. So, we made a whole tea party super fast. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.